All right. So for our open response today, we're going to be solving a problem about sharing muffins. So we're going to do the first one together, and then the second one I'm going to post for you to work on. And I will share the answers with you for after you complete that. So it says here, Anna and Sammy want to share 3 muffins. Use the circles below to show how they can share the muffins fairly. Describe in words how much is in each child's share. Okay, so they drew the muffins for us, just circles. They drew 3 circles for 3 muffins. What we want to do is figure out how can we share these 3 muffins fairly so that Anna and Sammy both get the same amount. You have 2 people and 3 muffins. So we're going to talk about it, we're going to work on it together, and we're going to figure out how to do this. So if you want to, in front of you, with a whiteboard or a piece of paper, draw 3 circles big enough where you can write inside of them, and you can follow along with me. What are your thoughts? How do you think we could share 3 muffins with 2 people? There's a couple different ways that we can think about it, and we'll talk about those different ways. But how do you think? So maybe pause the video right now. Try out a couple ways with the 3 circles. You can always draw 3 more circles if the first time didn't work out for you. And let's see what you come up with. Right? When you think you've got an idea, unpause the video and come back to me. All right, so you've got some circles written in front of you. You've got some muffins split up so that Annie and Sammy can share them. And let's see what you came up with. So one way we could do this, all right, is we could take this circle right here and we can split it in half. All right. Then, so I'm going to use colors here just to make it a little bit easier for us. Easier for me, I should say. So we're going to use colors here. And let's say that Anna is going to be this orange color and Sammy is going to be this blue color. Okay. So now we can give one whole muffin. All right. One whole muffin. Ooh. We can give one whole muffin to Anna, right? She can have the whole thing because, I'm going to color that in a little bit more. All right, apologize for my computer coloring here. Trying my best. All right, so that's going to be Anna's. Sammy can also get a whole muffin. So they're each going to have one whole muffin, right? So that's equal. And then what we need to do is give them each a part of the 3rd muffin. Oh, no. Right, so this part over here can go to Sammy. All right, so this can be his part right here. There we go. And this part over here can go to Anna. So now they each have one whole muffin and one half of a muffin. So they all have equal shares. This is Anna's 1.5. This is Sammy's 1.5. So that's one way that they could share the muffins. Okay. Another way, clear all that out. Okay. Another way that we could do it is you could split them all into, right, or actually just this one, you could split into 4 equal pieces, right? And we can say, right, this is going to be Anna. This is going to be Anna. This is going to be Anna. Then we can say, okay, well, Sammy, this is going to be Sammy, this is going to be Sammy, and this is going to be Sammy. Right? So actually, it's the same exact thing that we did before, but instead of it being broken into 2 equal parts, we broke it into 4 equal parts. So Anna's going to get 1 whole muffin and 2 out of 4, and Sammy's going to get 1 whole muffin and 2 out of 4. right? One other way that we could do it, so all of these ways are exactly giving them the same amount. You're going to be getting the same amount no matter what. One other way, which I think some of you may have thought about, is you took each one and split it into 2 equal parts. So Anna and Sammy, Anna and Sammy, Anna and Sammy. Right? So you would say for each of those muffins, if you split each one in half, right, we can say that Sammy's part, Sammy's half, Sammy's part. Then we could say, right, Anna's part, Anna's half, Anna's part. So they still each get 3 halves, which is 1.5. No matter which way you do it, they're still getting the same amount of muffins. So this one was 2 people and 3 muffins. The one that you are going to work on is this next one right here. This time you have 5 muffins. So you have 4 children and they need to share 5 muffins. So you're going to draw those 5 muffins, right across the bottom, and you are going to figure out how to share those 5 muffins with 4 children. Right? So one part that we need to come back to this one for, even though our drawings are gone, is we need to give a little bit of information of exactly what we did here. Okay, so we can say that we gave Anna and Sammy each 1 whole muffin. Then we split the 3rd muffin into 2 equal parts. We gave Sammy 1 half and Anna 1 half. Each child got 1 and 1 half of a muffin. Right? So that's how we would explain our thinking, which was with open response. We always have to describe, okay, what we did and how much each person got. So for your next one, which you're going to do on your own, you can draw 5 circles. I also put a link to the page that if you wanted to print it, you could, but there's no reason. If you don't have a printer, you can just draw 5 circles and use this screen. You're going to draw 5 circles for those 5 muffins, and you're going to go ahead and split them evenly. Okay, you're going to split them evenly. I'm not going to put the answers in this video because I want you to do this on your own, but I will link the answers in the math box today on our webpage. All right, I'm super excited to see what you come up with. How are you going to split 5 muffins with 4 children? Remember what we did in the one before? Remember the different ways that we did it? I think that would help you. And remember, you can split the muffins into however many parts you think would work. I'm going to give you a little hint. 1 whole muffin, splitting it into 2 equal parts and 4 equal parts are probably the only way that you're going to do it. All right, so if you come up with another way, that's awesome too, just as long as they all get the same amount of muffins. Go ahead and solve that and then come back to the answers that I'm going to post and see how you did. All right, guys.